All right, boys and girls, we're talking about the I even have a hard time saying this. Commutative property of addition, which means that it's okay if our addends are in different orders when we're adding, as long as they're the same number, the answer is going to be the same. So if 2 plus 5, use your number line to find that answer, is 7, 5 plus 2 is also going to be 7. Okay, so the next one is 3 plus 1. We know 3 plus 1 from all of the rocket math we've been doing. That should be pretty simple. It's 4. So if 3 plus 1 is 4, 1 plus 3 must also be 4. 8 plus 0, we know that anything added to 8 stays the same, so that's 8. And if I just flip the numbers, it's also the same answer, 8. 4 plus 5, that's near doubles. 4 plus 4 is 8, so one more is 9. And if 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 4 must also be 9. And this one we just barely saw at the top. Here's 5 plus 2, 7. So 2 plus 5 must be 7. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, flip it over on the back, finish your rocket math, and then raise your hand for me to come check it.